If Peterbilt and Volvo had a baby in Europe and then sent it to truck college in France, this would be it. Meet the 2025 Renault T520, a truck that's turning heads without even setting foot on American soil. Yet. But here's the thing. This European beast isn't just another pretty cab in the lot. It's rewriting what long-haul comfort, tech integration, and fuel economy should look like. And whether you're a fleet manager, an independent hauler, or someone who just loves big rigs, you'll want to see what makes this machine a quiet disruptor in the world of freight. Stick around, because by the end of this video, we're going under the hood, into the cabin, and behind the wheel. And we might just find out if America is ready for the Renault. Let's start with what you can't ignore. The face. The 2025 T520's exterior is more than aerodynamic. It's aggressive, yet polished. Designed in Renault Trucks' Lion Design Lab, its airflow lines reduce drag significantly, by up to 12% compared to older models. But looks aren't why freight arrives early. Under that sleek surface, you're getting a 13-liter Euro 6-step E engine, pushing out, you guessed it, 520 horsepower. That's where the T520 gets its name. Now for all my American diesel heads wondering how that stacks up, imagine the torque profile of a Cummins X15, but with the finesse of a German luxury car. And yes, before you ask, it does come with a cup holder big enough for your 64-ounce truck stop soda. Renault's not heartless. More importantly, it features an OptiDriver automated gearbox, no more leg day shifting. And with the new predictive driving tech, the transmission literally thinks ahead, using GPS data to optimize shifts on inclines and descents. It's like the truck's reading the road before it even happens. So why does that matter? Because over a long haul, fuel savings of up to 10% aren't just numbers, they're margin makers. But it's not just about what's under the hood. It's what's inside the driver's domain that sets the T520 apart. Payoff and hook for retention. Step into the cab and suddenly it's less semi-truck and more spaceship. The 2025 T520 boasts a redesigned dashboard, fully digital, customizable screens, and even semi-autonomous Level 2 driving features. Yes, we're talking adaptive cruise, lane centering, and emergency braking built in. And let's talk about comfort. The bunk area now includes modular lighting, improved insulation, and upgraded air suspension that practically glides over uneven terrain. It's like the truck tucks you in after a 12-hour shift, and if you've ever tried changing pants in a tight cab without falling over, welcome to your redemption arc. Now here's the part that no one's talking about yet. There are whispers, yes, whispers, that Renault may be eyeing limited North American testing in late 2025. Logistics partnerships are being formed. Fleets are being quietly prepped. If that happens, the T520 could become the first serious European challenger in the US heavy-duty market in over a decade. So, what would that mean for Kenworth, Freightliner, or even Tesla's Semi? Stick with us, because in our next video, we're comparing the Renault T520 to America's reigning champions. And let's just say, the results might surprise you. If you're still here, you already know. This isn't just another truck video. It's the beginning of a global shakeup in freight innovation. Drop a comment. Would you welcome the T520 to American highways? Hit that bell, because we're diving into real-world performance data next week. Like and share. If you want to see more of what the future of trucking looks like, before it gets here. Until then, keep it rolling. And remember, not all revolutions come with a horn blast.